Bro, what?
A Giardini?
And look at all the peacocks.
I would die to have that.
What if I told you I'd buy it for you?
Well. Excited, bro. I've been coming here for like 6 months looking at the thing like, huh, when should I get it? And bro, it's like today's the day.
We got it.
Look how big this is. It's a massive fish.
I haven't even seen this yet.
Yeah, I know, it's sick. There's a lot of fish. Okay.
Can I just get a good hold on him real quick? What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today, I am surprising one of my great friends, Brenton, also known as Fanatic on YouTube. You've seen me do many videos with him with an epic fish. We're gonna go to the fish store, pick out the fish, and then surprise him for this beautiful pond. This is his see-through 500 gallon. We both have this exact pond. Literally the same thing. Mine has this African cichlids and the fly river turtle in it. His has a bunch of predatory fish in it. So today's goal, to find the craziest fish in the store to purchase for Brenton. Let's go. Dude, these are kind of cool too. They'd probably get eaten in your pond.
Oh, they get eaten for sure. They'd be gone. Now, Big Daddy, he'd live.
Stay back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And look at all the peacocks. A full school of peacocks. Look at the amount of tanks, dude. What? I am purchasing a fish for Brenton today.
Oh my gosh. Bro, what? A Giardini?
That is the craziest fish ever.
That one is,
dude, that's the
legendary.
Now the real question is, how much do they want for that?
Oh, a godly amount.
That is insane, dude.
You know, but theoretically, money, you can't take it with you when you die.
Yeah, exactly.
So, like, you might as well spend it.
You have a great point there. That is one beautiful fish. I wish I had my camera right now. It's unfortunate that my camera just happened to not have a battery inside of it. Typical Paul move right there. Dude, the amount of tanks, like, we're ignoring the fact that there is fish everywhere right now.
Oh,
Dude!
You already have one of those, don't you?
two. Mr. Muffin Man and his friend.
No,
Mr. Muffin Man the second.
So we don't need to get him. He already has two of them.
He needs friends. He's alone.
I'm thinking that big Arowana is the most beautiful specimen.
Bro, like, I would die to have that.
What if I told you to buy it for you?
Well, I do a lot of things. Sorry.
I'm gonna end that there. Goodness gracious. We could do a full tour of this place.
Like it. If there's a big albino pleco, that'd be cool.
Oh, I do have one of those in my pond.
Well, that doesn't help at all.
Yeah, that doesn't. You're right. Huh. Cichlids. How much is this silver Arowana? 1,200.
Oh, you're right. Oh my goodness.
It's actually going to be about 400. It's the other guy.
The 1,200 is the Giardini. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay.
Oh
So which fish could you get if you get anyone?
If I get that one.
Oh, the Giardini,
that's
of
an
course.
asset. That right there, that's like
That
buying
is-
stock. Like, bro,
The Giardini is buying an asset.
that'll
for sure.
appreciate over time. I'd split that with you to get that thing.
He wants to talk to you real quick.
Oh, sure. Sure thing.
I'm freaking out, dude. I wanted this thing so bad.
How sick is that? Let's see if we can find. Oh, goodness gracious. You are one beautiful specimen. If I lived here, you would be coming home with me because that's an asset, like I said. That sounds to me. If it was my fish, I'd buy it, but not Brenton. Brenton's getting a $400 Arowana, all right? I'm a good enough friend. Dang. Oh my gosh, this place just keeps going. Check these guys. More Goldilocks. It's kind of interesting filming on my phone. It's a little different, you know?
The quality looks really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's so many. I mean, we could just keep going. Dude, we could film a whole vlog here. Next video. Oh. Does that star spangled? That is the omega of Arowanas,
That
Brenton.
thing is huge.
Massive.
You guys have had that for a while.
Alright, John. That's the water we needed there.
Yep.
Other nets from outside.
I gave it to Ice Rod. There it is.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn the light off for a second.
Yes, sir.
Because this fish is already feeling, you know, so we're gonna jump and do something. Just turn the light off and this one here. Perfect. What?
That thing is
We can turn the light on.
That's omega. Yeah. Are you actually that stoked?
Dude,
I've been looking
you don't
at
get
this
it.
fish for like months, and I was gonna come by it at one point, but now I don't have to.
That's
Alright, that's bag it for you, sir.
That's sick. Hey, buddy.
So heavy.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, he's like that big.
We are heading. What is this? This is a whole different room. What in the? There's more. Look at this. If you guys want to see a full tour of this place, smash the like button. We get enough likes, I'll just release the video of touring this entire place. So maybe while we're here, we'll just film it.
There's a lot of stuff here.
There's so much.
I want to, bro. I just want a tank with him in it.
Just him.
Just him.
What would you name him? Mr. Puffs.
Mr. Puffs.
Dude, he's hyped up too.
We got a double tank.
Yes, sir. Look at him. Some shrimps in there. Look at that little scrimp. Hey, buddy. Dude, the angelfish is just so beautiful. I love them. Why do you guys have to eat coral, huh? Why do you gotta eat coral? We got a big old Arowana for Brenton's pond. Hey, Brenton, you excited, bud?
Excited, bro. I've been coming here for like 6 months looking at the thing like, when should I get it? And bro, it's like today's the day.
We got it.
Look how big this is. It's a massive fish.
And it says live fish on the side, which is even better.
Great thumbnail.
Oh, yeah.
She's in.
Let's go home.
She's in.
She is in the building. Oh my goodness, dude.
And it's ready to go in here.
Dude, I haven't even seen this yet.
Yeah, I know, it's sick. There's a lot of fish. Okay, so let me give you the rundown.
All right.
So, 2 Oscars.
Yep.
2 Pacu.
Yep.
A koi fish.
Yep.
Massive frontosa.
Yep.
2 gar. One is a long-nosed gar and one's a spotted gar. Which are awesome. Look at them right there. Craig. And then Schmeat, which is the clown knife.
Schmeat.
Yeah, he's huge. He's 9 years old and has eaten over $1,000 worth of goldfish in his lifetime.
Didn't you buy him exactly where we just bought this Arowana?
Yeah, literally, I got him in the same place.
Look at them fishes. Wow. Wow. And it's the exact same pond as my 500 gallon. It's got the see-through front, except for they built this little platform that it sits on, which is nice. It kind of gets it up to your eye level.
But that's the thing, I felt like the whole point of it was to be able to see into it. So when it was low, I was like, you gotta like get down. But this...
You're just talking shit about mine. That's fine.
Yeah!
It's all good. It's fine. Well, we got a new fish for it. This $400 Arowana is ready to get the heck in its new home. It's gonna look insane in this pond.
Dude, I love it because a lot of these fish don't come to the top. Like they normally chill at the bottom. That thing will be at the top the whole time. As long as he doesn't jump out. That would suck. We have
we have the net. We got the net.
We might need to tighten her down a little more. Because these things can fly.
Yeah, they do fly.
Yeah.
They have wings.
No, they don't, Paul. No, they don't. I almost just stabbed the pool pond on accident.
Oh my gosh.
Imagine.
That could have been so bad. Why do you even put a knife like this by this thing?
Oh, baby gill.
Oh my goodness. That is one beautiful specimen right there. Oh my gosh, dude. Take a look.
Smells like Arowana. Or known in Japan as Aroween. What?
Something's wrong with him, seriously. Dude, can I just hold him real quick?
No. Oh god.
Can I just get a good hold on him real quick?
I need a net.
Look at how pretty this fish is.
Ow.
So beautiful. A silver Arowana. This is a good size. See them?
Alright.
Look at those colors.
Good news.
Wow.
We have a net. Bad news, it's not big enough. So,
let's go.
alright.
Open her up. I'm just gonna grab it and right in.
He's in. Bro. Oh my gosh.
That looks insane.
Bro.
Look.
He is huge.
Would you look at that?
He's like, Daddy, sorry. Wow.
Oh my gosh, bro. The see-through side is just like a whole different world. My goodness. Well, Cuffaros, that right there. My hands are slimy. That right there is a $400 Arowana.
Nice. That was great. Yeah, that's insane, bro.
Whoa! I thought he was gonna jump. He came up for air. But yeah, wow, just incredible fish, incredible video. I feel like we've been making absolute bangers lately. If you guys are enjoying these videos, please just smash a like. Here's a picture of a cute koala. Thanks. I'm so jealous. It's not even funny.
Yeah, the only issue is we gotta name him.
We don't have a name. This thing needs a name.
Oh, bro.
Wow. Wow.
He just hit a U-turn on him.
He did hit a U-turn on me. Cuffaros, comment down below a name for this fish. And then Brenton, you're gonna have to come to this video's comments.
And pick a name.
And pick a name for your
I can
channel.
do that. I can do that.
Perfect. Yeah, subscribe, of course. Subscribe if you're new. Brenton's got a new Arowana in his pond.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Stock
course.
price on this pool just skyrocketed.
I would
so
invest.
Buy your shares now. Wow.
What if we had an app for that? See you in the next one. Peace.